They're here to answer your questions, right? We are online. So this is our third online lecture. I've started the recording. Let me go and answer a question. There was a question about a problem out here, sir. It does not want to enter the number. So Martha asked me a question. It does not want to enter the number. So let me answer that question. Martha, are you here? Martha, are you here?
Yes,
right?
sir.
Right, Martha, ask the question. Talk to me, Martha. Martha, ask the question.
I wanted to know that why does the program doesn't want to enter the number?
Okay, so
Because I wrote.
All right, let's see what you wrote, right? So you said down there, is this your program, Martha?
Yes.
All right, Martha, do you want to copy and paste it in the chat or the WhatsApp group? The one that doesn't work.
That is the one that doesn't work. I did a screenshot.
Okay, I can't copy it from here, Martha, into my program.
Oh, okay.
Unless you want to share your screen, Martha.
Let me check.
Or Martha, can you post it in the chat? Then it makes my life easy. I can copy and paste it into my online code blocks or online GDB.
Okay.
Martha, are we waiting?
Oh, so I didn't copy what I wrote today, but I ended up submitting the assignment.
Okay, so if you submitted the assignment, let's go and check out. Let's go check. Did it work, Martha?
Yeah, I did some things there. I'm not sure whether it's correct or.
All right, so which one is it, Martha? Which one did you do, Martha? The one for cube of a number?
The cube.
Cube of a number, okay. That one. Right. Back to classroom. Let's go and have a look at it. Right, Martha. What? Oh boy, I can't see your name here, Martha. Martha.
Martha. Number 18.
Number 18. Okay. Oh, there we go. Right. Thank you. Right. Let's see now, Martha. What's wrong here? Let's run this program. Let's see if you worked it out. It says, please enter in a number. Martha, give me a number.
5.
Right. So enter in 5 and I press enter. 125 is the cube of the number. 5 times 5. That's correct, Martha. But Martha, if I look at the program, can you see you got out this C out? It's 5 times 5 times 5.
Yes.
Martha, you must use the variable number, NUMBER. You must not use, this is what we call hard coding. The student mentioned this last week, where you are coding it such that you're forcing them to enter in 5 times 5 times 5. Right?
Yes.
Now let me run this program again. Let's see what's wrong if I run this program again. Give me another number besides 5, Martha. Give me a number between 2 and 4. An integer.
2.
Between 2 and 4, Martha.
It's 2.
Between 2 and 4, Martha. Between. What's the number in between 2 and 4?
3.
Correct. So let's enter in 3, right? Can you see what happens, Martha? What's the answer?
It's 125.
What's
the
answer supposed to be? What's the answer supposed to be?
37.
Correct. Now, the problem here is because you see in line number 18, Martha, you are saying 5 times 5 times 5.
Yes.
You're not supposed to use 5 times 5 times 5. You are supposed to be using number. Variable number. That's the whole purpose of me teaching you about variables. Right? Okay, Martha?
Okay.
Right?
Okay, so.
Okay, so let me now that I have the program there, I'm going to copy that and I'm going to correct Martha's program, right? Control C. I'm going to say create a new project. And Martha, watch this, Martha. I'm such a fast typist. Martha, there's your work there. But this time I'm not going to take Martha's work. I'm going to put down. That's my work, all right? So now my input is a number. This is only an example that I'm giving you over here. This is an example. So I'm calling this test data. Right, Martha?
Yes.
This is only an example. This is only an example of processing. Okay, Martha?
Yes.
And the output, the only example is 125, right? From taking 5 times 5 times 5. Martha, that's how I'm going to get 125. So this is absolutely correct, Martha. What you have out here. Pretty please enter in a number. Very good. You are also well mannered. The processing is not 5 times 5 times 5. Your processing is, in fact, you don't do any output in processing. Right? There's your processing here.
Okay.
And your output is a C out statement. And your C out is now answer.
Okay.
Right? I'm just going to do it like how you have it there. Okay. All right, Martha. Now let me run my program now, right? Let me run my program. I'm going to run my program. Please enter in a number. Martha, enter in a number between 2 and 4.
3.
Correct, 3. Right, so I'm going to enter in 3 and I'm going to press enter. Is the cube of the number, the cube of the number is 27. Martha, is that correct?
It is correct, sir.
Right. Now, so I'm just going to take that out there and put it on up there. Let's run this program again. Martha, give me a number between 3 and 5.
4.
Correct. Martha, what's 4 times 4 times 4? Martha?
It's 64.
16, sir.
64.
64.
Correct. Is that correct?
Yes.
Right. Let's run the program again, Martha. This time, give me a number between 9 and 11.
10.
What's 10 cubed, Martha?
1000.
Let's see if you're right. Yay! Let's all give Martha a clap there. Oh man, we can't see the clap. Where's the clap? 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 Right. So you can use the reaction button. There's a reaction button out there. And you can give a clap. Right? There we go. Hey, Marjurel, yeah. Wow, Marjurel. Right.
Yes, sir.
So happy you're here. Right. Okay. So can you see how I sorted out your problem? The problem where you won't make this mistake again, I hope. Okay. Control C. Let me see. There's your program here. A reply, and there's your answer there for you. Okay. Let me go to the next person with a query now, right? The next person had a query. Who had a query here? This was, let's see, where's Martha's query? Boy. Marjurel, once I finish answering the people's queries, you must delete it, right? Marjurel?
Yes, sir.
You must delete it, right? Once the people ask a question, right? You delete it. And I answer it. And please use the reaction button, everybody. Please use the reaction button, okay? Where you enter in a reaction. Don't post in plenty of messages. Thank you. Can you please share this? Okay. Right. I don't know who's and what's sharing it. So I'm deleting that. All right. Has anyone has a solution to a problem? That was me, right? I'm going to delete that. We don't need that anymore. Please help your fellow students. Right, delete that. I'm also facing the same problems. Yes, so Yen, who's this? Yen Koshira. Who's that? Are you here? Hello? Hello? I'm waiting. I want to answer your question. Hello, hello, hello. No, you're not here. Okay, so you're not here, not answering the question. Right, let's delete that. Right, so here's the problem with the first year class rep. He said, what was his problem? Pretty please enter in 10. The sum of the square is 10. Right, well done, Malapeng. Malapeng, our first year class rep, well done, it's working. Right, so it's working. So is this correct? Listen, you don't have to ask me if it's correct, Malapeng. Malapeng, are you here? Malapeng.
I'm here, sir. I'm here, sir.
Right, Malapeng. Ask me the question.
Sir.
Malapeng, ask me the question.
My question was about the C-in.
No, what you asked me a question in the chat. You said, is this correct, sir? Sir, is it correct?
Oh, okay, yeah, is it correct, sir?
You tell me, Malapeng.
Yes, it's correct, sir. I think it's...
Is it correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, it is correct, because the square of 10 is indeed 100. Now, let me look at it now, right? Malapeng, it's correct. It gives me the correct answer. But if you paid attention to what I spoke to Martha, can you see you are hard coding it over here? You are saying answer is equal to 10 times 10. Malapeng?
Yes, sir.
You're supposed to have a variable. Okay, Malapeng? All right.
All right. Yes.
So it's actually wrong, right? Okay, Malapeng, but you're learning.
All right.
I'll say the answer is correct. You are not using variables.
Okay, yeah, I changed it. I can see what you're talking about.
Check out Martha's solution. Okay, Malapeng?
Yes, I'm saying I changed the...
Right.
Sir?
Yes, Malapeng?
I was saying I changed the numbers 10 from to number and it works perfectly.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Well done, well done. Right? Right? But right now I'm deleting that. Okay, Malapeng? Okay, I'm deleting that. Well done. Now this was my right. So look at my question over here. I said inputs an age, postal code, and telephone number, and displays it with a message. So when I post something like this, it makes your life easy. All you've got to do is copy it and you paste it into, oops. Let me just copy that. Oops, to take all of that out. Right, let me go and take that on out. Right. Malapeng, are you still with me, Malapeng?
Yes, sir. I'm still here.
Control C. I open up my online compiler. Malapeng, if anybody may unmute the mic for me, please. Marjural, I'm going to make you an administrator so you can also block off the...
Sir, and I have a problem, sir.
What's the problem?
Sir, I can't log in on my online GDB.
Okay. Can I do this first? Then we'll try and see if I can sort your problem out.
Okay.
Okay. Right. So here's the question. It says input age, postal code, and cell phone number. And this is output. Displays it with the message. So Malapeng, is there any processing involved
Sir.
over here, Malapeng?
You said what?
Is there any processing?
How test is
Processing, Processing, Malapeng.
no, sir.
Yes, there's no processing. See, I'm not calculating any mathematics. I'm not doing anything of that sort, right? So I'm okay with this. Now, let me quickly charge my laptop. Slow power. Right. So, Malapeng, and for everybody
Yes,
else,
sir.
and for everyone else, right? Malapeng, you want to share your age with me, Malapeng?
Sir, can
How
you
old are
repeat?
you, Malapeng? Malapeng?
I'm 19, sir.
You're 14.
Sir,
You're
sir,
14
can
years
you?
old. You can't be 14 years old. You're too young to be in DUT.
I'm 19, sir.
Oh, you're 90 years old. Oh my goodness, you're too old to be in DUT. Next one.
19.
Please enter in your postal code. Don't give the right details, Malapeng, because this is a recording. Can you see? Enter your age was
Yes.
line number 15. C in
Yes.
ran. Now I'm running on line number 18. This is called tracing through your program. Enter in your postal code. Malapeng, give me your postal code.
4001.
4009. Right. Malapeng, don't say the right thing. Now, Malapeng, I finished doing now line number 19. Line number
Sir.
20. What is happening in line number 20, Malapeng?
It says, is it a great age to be?
No, line number
It's a
20.
great age to be.
Line number 20, Malapeng. What's happening in line number 20, Malapeng? Malapeng, nothing is happening in line number 20.
Yes. I'm having
Madhurel,
difficulty
help him.
hearing you.
Now I go to line number 21. 90 is a great age to be. Oh, Malapeng, you're too old. 4009 is your postal code. Can you see? It ran this line. Now it's running the line in line number 24. It says, please enter in your cell phone number. C in cell phone.
Yes.
Malapeng, what's your cell phone number? Don't give me the right one. Give me a wrong one with like a cell C number.
012.
084.
433.
Malapeng. 73
433.
437
92.
91. Can you give the right one, Malapeng? It's going to be a recording. Everybody will see this.
Yes, sir.
Right. Is that correct? Malapeng, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
No, man, Malapeng, you're not supposed to be correct. Malapeng, is that correct? Malapeng, it's a joke, Malapeng, it's not correct. Okay. There's it. And that's what it ran. Okay. So that's what I wanted y'all to do in this example. Okay. All right, Malapeng. Let's go to the next one. There we go. I answered that question for you, Malapeng. I sorted it out. Malapeng says, is this correct, sir? Malapeng, this looks correct. Okay. So let me go and run this program for you, Malapeng.
Yes.
Let me go into my online GDB. watch this, Malapeng, Control A, and I say delete, Control V. I copy that program there. Let me see, Malapeng asked me the question. Malapeng, firstly, this is not your name, right? A Madondo, right? Malapeng.
I'm having problems with network. I can't hear you.
All right, so that's not correct. Let me run this program for Malapeng.
Yes, sir.
Please enter in a number. Let's see, 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Perfect. Let's run the program again. Minus 4. The square of minus 4 is 16. Malapeng, yours looks correct. So I'm going to say, yes, this is correct. Right, Malapeng? Well done. It's correct. Right. How do you submit your homework without sending you an email? SV Dube. SV Dube, are you here? SV Dube. SV Dube, are you here?
Yes, I am here.
Oh, you are nice and loud. Thank you. Ask the question, SV Dube.
Yes, sir. I just wanted to ask how to submit the homework without me sending you screenshots.
Okay, right. So SV Dube, this is what you need to do, right? You need to do it like this. You need to go to classroom, right? SV Dube, do you want to log in on online GDB? Then you can also teach Mr. Malapeng how to work with this.
Yeah, please, sir.
Okay, can you share your screen? I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Hey, there's SV Dube. Looking good.
I'm around, sir.
Right, go ahead, share your screen. Do you know how to share your screen, Mr. Dube?
Yes, sir, I know.
Okay, share it.
I'm sharing. I don't know why it's not appearing on your screen.
Okay, just wait a while. Wait a second. Wait a second. Can you see the problems that you have with online lectures where I can't see Mr. Dube's screen? Mr. Dube, can I help with from my side and show you what I expect you to do?
Okay, so you can.
Come on, Mr. Dube. Mr. Dube, can I share my screen, Mr. Dube?
Yes, you can share it, sir.
Right. Mr. Malapeng, are you there, Mr. Malapeng?
Yes, sir.
Right. Stop sharing your screen, Mr. Dube. Right. Mr. Dube, have a look at my screen. Right, Mr. Dube? You need to submit it by joining up with online GDB. You need to join online GDB. You must sign in or you must log in, right? You can log in with either Google+, Facebook, GitHub, or your email account, right? You need to register. If you don't have an account, you need to register with this, all right? Mr. Dube?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Right. So you need to go and register. Mr. Dube?
I have already registered.
You have? Oh, excellent, excellent. Then, Mr. Dube, I'm going to invite you to this to submit an assignment, right? So I'm going to invite you as a student, and there's the link. Control C. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to copy that link, and I'm going to share it in my web. Let's go to the WhatsApp, and I'm going to say, Mr. Dube, reply. Click on this link. Oh, I'm hearing an echo. I'm hearing myself in the background there. Click on this link. Right, so Mr. Dube, oops, I forgot to put the link. Oops, sorry. Reply. There we go. Mr. Dube, can you do that? Go to your WhatsApp and click on that link.
Yes, I'll do it. Thank you.
Do it now. I'll wait for you.
Okay.
Mr. Dube, did you do that?
I'm doing it right now.
Okay. Can you share your screen, please, Mr. Dube? In order to share your screen, Mr. Dube, you do the following. Right? On the top button, it says share. Next to the word mic, you click on share.
Where?
On the top right-hand side of your corner, where it's just next to the word leave. Mr. Dube, can you look at my screen now, Mr. Dube?
Yeah, I can look at it, sir.
Okay. Let me just go back to where I need to be. Right, Mr. Dube, can you see that? Can you see the buttons there where it says stop share for me? You need to click on share. Mr. Dube.
Yes, sir.
You need to click on share.
Okay.
Esquabe, hello Esquabe. Esquabe, do you have a question?
See my WhatsApp.
Mr. Dube.
Yes, sir. I'm still trying to find a way to hide my other messages because I'm about to share my screen.
Mr. Dube.
Yes.
Don't worry, we won't share to anybody.
Sir?
We won't tell anybody about your messages.
No, sir, I'll do it. Don't worry. I'll ask you a problem if I face one.
Come on, I'm waiting. No, you do it now.
Okay, sir.
I'm waiting, Mr. Dube.
Okay, sir.
I can see your screen, Mr. Dube. I need to see your online GDB screen. Click on that link.
Okay.
Mr. Dube, we're waiting.
I'm logging in, sir.
Very good, Mr. Dube. Well done. I can see your screen. Why is your screen so small, Mr. Dube? Mr. Dube, click on INPR 101. Mr. Dube, talk to me.
Say, I'm using my friend's phone right now because I feel like you can't hear me.
Okay, go ahead. I can. That's why I'm getting the echo.
Okay, so where do I enter here?
Okay. Right. I'm going to. I can't see your screen right now. Okay. Mr. Dube, which assignment you need to submit?
The last two, so isn't this?
Okay.
I'll send you a screenshot.
Right. Now the due date, it's past the due date. That's why you can't submit it. Mr.
No,
Dube?
I sent you the screenshots on that day.
Yeah, I don't mark screenshots. Mr. Dube, I don't mark screenshots.
So I'm unable to send it right now.
Yeah. Okay.
But say I've raised my credit earlier.
When is earlier?
During the submission day, before the.
Okay, let me share my screen. Let me share my screen and check who's submitted, right? Let me share my screen to you. Let's see if you have submitted, right? So let me go to my classroom. See, Martha has submitted her work. Right? Let's look at this. 99 people haven't submitted. Oh my, that's a lot. Let me go and increase the date. There we go. I've increased the time. Right?
Yes.
It is. Okay. Mr. Dube, try and submit it now, right?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Dube, will you do that? I've extended the date.
Thank you, sir. I'll submit.
Very good. Okay. Thank you for that question.
Thank you.
Right. Let's answer the next question now. I'm only answering questions here, but that's my job, so it's okay. All right, let's see who has a question. Let's look at the question here. Mr. Dube, I sorted out Mr. Dube's question. Marjorie, let's delete that one. I don't need that anymore. Please mute. Marjorie. Right. Now, I think I sorted out this query. Dondos, are you here, Dondos? Dondos, are you here?
Yes, I'm here. Okay.
Okay, what was your query about? Okay, thank you very much, Dondos. I like your programming. Right?
Thank you.
Okay, all right. See, now Dondos, I want you to be my spokesperson. I want the 13th official language in South Africa to be a computer programming language. Okay, Dondos?
Okay, sir.
All right. Do you have a question for me, Dondos?
No, sir, but what I just wanted to say, I want to post the link you sent me. I don't know if I will post it at the group about the
I can't hear you,
call.
Dundas. I got my putting it loud. Repeat.
I'm going to post the link in our group of the 10-hour full course of C++.
Oh, okay. When are you going to post it?
I think right now, because I tried to watch it like 45 minutes, and the lady is pretty good, you know. She's not fast, you know. I think
Okay.
it could help.
Okay. Dundas, do you have your own group that you have with the students?
Yes, we have another group there.
Okay. All right. Can you post in that group, Dundas?
Yes, I will do that.
All right. So some of us had load shedding at 10. Okay. So I will do that for you. Reply. You can watch the recording. Right? Okay. Anybody with a question? Anyone with a question? I hope I've answered some of the questions regarding how do you calculate the square and cube of a number. All right. SV Dube, I've sorted that out. Now, I don't accept email as homework because it makes life difficult for me to mark. Right. May I continue with what I had planned for today or what I want to share with you? Any other queries or questions? Anybody with a question or a query? Anyone with a question or a query? All right, anybody? Right, let's go on. So if you notice, this is our MS Teams class, right? In our MS Teams class, there's a channel called General. And in the General channel is where I'll post any messages for you. For instance, that was the orientation program that's finished. Here's the, and this is where we'll keep all our record of all our posts, right? And let's go on. Let's see what happens here. They should not, this was general post. Right, so this was last week. At the end of the my class, we'll take a photograph. Right, here's the link for the C++ course. Dondos? Dondos?
Yes, sir.
Right, here's the link. I posted it in Teams, right?
Thank you.
Do you see the Dondos?
I can't say. Oh, I see it now.
Very good. So you go to the general channel and it's posted out there. Okay, Dondos?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let's see. Z Radebe, what link are you talking about, Z Radebe? Z Radebe, are you there? Z Radebe, are you there? No, you're not there. All right, let's ask this question. How many programmers? Dondos? Dondos?
Yes, sir.
How many programmers does it take to change a light bulb?
One.
Why?
Man.
Explain. Dondos?
Yes, sir.
Open up your WhatsApp.
Okay.
Dandos?
Trying to
Everybody
open my
else.
WhatsApp.
And everybody else. Come on, everyone. This is how you post a reaction, okay? That's okay if you don't know as well. How many programmers does it take to replace a light bulb?
I would say 0. Let's see.
Why 0?
Don't need the light.
You don't need the lights. No, man, we need the lights. Your light bulb is broken or it's fused. So how many light bulbs do you need? I'm sorry, how many programmers, software programmers do you need to replace the light bulb? Anybody, those people who are putting in 0, there's 12 of you. Come on, talk to me. Talk to me, please. Madurel, come on, Madurel.
Say it's 0, sir.
Why?
Because programmers do not have things to. They don't.
Yeah, because it's a hardware problem. We are software. Yeah. Feel my hands are soft it is because I'm a software program. I'm a software developer, right? I'm not a hardware. That was a joke, man. Come on. Right, now this is how you laugh now on Teams, okay? So this is how you laugh on Teams. That's right. You click on the reaction button and you laugh there, right? So please laugh. Come on. That's good. That's good. Click on the reaction button and laugh. Okay? A van der Merwe. You sent me an email over the weekend. Unmute and talk to me.
Yes, I did send an email asking
Yes.
for the COC form.
Did you get it?
Yes, I got it.
And? You're welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Right. Do you have a question for me? Your first name is Ashley, huh?
Yes, sir.
Ashley, do you have a question?
I'm kind of confused on how to fill in the form.
Okay, you'll need to speak to our secretary to do that, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ashley, do you have a question regarding C++?
No, sir.
Okay, I got a question for you, Ashley. Ashley?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Which is your most important subject?
INPR101.
That's the right answer. Well done. Right, let's go on now. Right. Is there any other questions for me? Right, there's no other questions here. Let's see what else I have posted in the MS Teams group, right? So there's the answer. For those of you who do not know the answer, there's it written out there. It can't be done. It's a hardware problem. Hey, you didn't even read that out. So there were how many of you that didn't get the answer right? There were 9 of you that said they don't know, and someone said they. Let me check. I can tell you who did not know. See all. Right. Oh, there we go. Right. Okay. So those people who did not know, the answer was in the MS Teams class. Okay. All right. There's the answer here. There's the answer here in MS Teams. Ashley, do you see the answer now, Ashley?
Yes, sir.
Right, can you see that? Now let me see. I think I know why they're not here, because they are not in part of the class. Look at that. There's only 56 members in this group. Who is not part of the MS Teams class? Who are going to take that out? Hello? Can you see that? There's only 55 members. What happened to the rest of the class? Who is not here? Who wants me to add them here? Hello? Who's not here? There's 102 students in the class. Who's not here?
Sipo is one of them, sir. It's not here.
Who's here?
Sipo.
Sipo. Sipo, what's your student number, Sipo?
Zipo. Let me check for you, sir.
Okay.
This one is Esquabe. I will check.
Esquabe. Okay, Esquabe, what's your student number? I'll add you to this classroom.
So can you add me too?
Yes, go ahead. Give me your student number.
22
22
45
45
82
82
39.
39. Is that you? Kwabe.
Yes.
Right. Find the Zipo.
Thank you, sir.
Ah, well done. Next one. Next
Thank
one.
you,
Who's
sir.
that?
Esmas boa. Yo.
Right. Next one. Next person. Who's the next person? Hello? Hello, who's the next person?
Esmas boa.
I can't hear you.
Esmas boa.
Yeah, give me your student number.
22
22 Yes, 22
5
5. Yes,
No, it's 2245
2245
34. Yes, 93.
93. Right. Add. Go and check on your email or MS Teams if you are added. Are you added?
Still checking, sir.
Okay.
Anybody else wants me to add them?
Yes, sir.
Right. We'll post the link in the WhatsApp group.
Yes, I've been added.
Very good. Yes, have you been added?
Sir, may I ask,
Yes, go ahead.
what is today's business? What are we doing today?
We're doing programming. And I'm answering your question. Hello?
So there's a question for you on WhatsApp.
Go ahead, ask the question.
Majorel,
Yes, Majira, what's the question? I'm
on
just
WhatsApp,
trying to
sir.
add up to the... Yes, can you, I can't see the WhatsApp. I don't have my phone on. Go ahead. Ask the question.
So my question was said, can you please help me how to do programming and using code blocks?
Right, you want to use code blocks?
Yes, to do programming, but I failed to do it.
Right. Until we come back to class, then I'll teach you how to load code blocks. Okay, Madhurya?
Yes, sir.
Right, so let me see. Sir, can you please extend the time for submitting your work on online GDB? I just did that. All right, how to do programming in code blocks, Madhurya. Madhurya, you need to have code blocks on your computer.
I do have it.
Right, so there's it. Can you share your screen, Madhurya?
Yes, sir.
Share it, go ahead. Your screen.
I also have a problem with my code blocks.
Okay, share your screen. Madhurya,
Sir,
share your screen.
can you please help me how to share it?
You click on the share button, top.
Yes.
Share your screen, Madhurya. Tell me what's the problem.
I did have the share button.
Okay, let's just wait a second.
And they said share the content. They need me to share on Microsoft Whiteboard and share it on screen window or tab.
Very good, very good. Yes, I can see it now, Madhurya. Slow, Madhurya, you got to talk to us and tell us what you're doing, Madhurya. Yes, Madhurya.
Yes, sir.
Talk to us. Tell me what you're doing.
I tried to share my screen, sir, but I failed to do it.
No, I can see it. You are sharing your screen.
Doctor,
Yes, I can hear you, Madhurya. Go ahead. I can see it.
me who's sharing the screen, don't.
Wait, let me sort out Madhurya first, please.
Okay.
Must I click create a new project, right?
Madhurya, I'm listening.
Must I click create a new project, right?
Share your screen first, Madhurya.
Okay, sir.
Right, Madhurya, go ahead.
check, please. Must I check back? Okay.
Marjorel,
Yes, sir.
go ahead, click on the code blocks at the bottom of your screen.
I already checked it.
Okay.
Actually, I'm already in code blocks.
You already are, okay.
And they said I must please select a folder where you want project to create a new as well.
Top right hand where it says share, I want you to click on that button. Share it again.
Okay, so right here.
Very good, very good. Right?
Yeah.
Hey Majora, please mute your mic. Marjorel, go ahead, Marjorel.
On code blocks, right?
Share your screen. Right. Very good, Marjorel. I can see that. Well done.
I'm struggling to complete this.
Okay.
Must I say finish?
Right, click on finish.
Then. So I can't even type something here.
Okay, Marjorel, can I take over now, Marjorel?
Yes, sir. I
All
stop
right.
sharing my screen.
Okay, let me firstly, Marjorel, I asked you, you've got version 20.0.3. Okay, Marjorel?
Yes, sir.
Look at the top of your screen, Marjorel.
Yes.
I want you to have an older version. I know it sounds silly, but the reason is the older version seems to work for me. All right, Marjorel. Now I'm going to share my screen. Okay, Marjorel?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, so Marjorel, can you see on my screen on the top it says 17.12?
Yes.
Right, I want you to have that version, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
How can I
you know,
have it?
how do you get it? You go online and you look for
Yes.
code blocks, version 17.12, okay? And can you see it says download over there?
Yes.
Right? Right, I want you to download this version because this I found to be the most stable version and I like it, so I continue to do that. Okay, Marjorel? So you'll need to go and remove version 20.03. Okay, Marjorel?
Yes, sir.
Do you know how to do that?
Yes.
This is how you do it, Marjorel. You go and you click on Add, Remove Programs under Control Panel. And then you go and look for whatever programs that you have installed. Right? You go look for code blocks. There we go. Can you see code blocks over there? Now, Marjorel, I'm not going to remove it. I want to keep it on. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right? So you will remove it before you go and install it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then will you help your friends to install it as well?
Yes, I can.
Very good. Right? Once you install it, Marjorel, you go and this is how you work with code blocks, right? You go to code block, you click on file, you go to new, you go to project, and you go to console application. Then you go to C++, because that's the language we're talking. We're not talking Zulu, Sotho, Tamil, Hindi, Afrikaans. We're talking C++. Okay, Madhurao?
Yes, sir.
Then you give it a name. You give it a nice name. How you spell? D-U-R? Madhurao?
It's answer. We put answer.
How do you spell Madhurao?
It's MADURALL.
Then you click on that, and you go and main. There's you double click on main, and there's your work out here, Madhurao. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. And to run the program, you click on build and run. Okay. Let's make it some fun. Instead of say hello, I'm going to say thank you for the question, Madhural. Now, the reason why you'll want to use this Madhural is because if you don't have internet, then you can't use online GDB. Okay, Madhural?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is available to you on the screen. Okay, let me go back to my questions. Let's see if I got any more questions from the students. Let's go back to my chat. Thank you, Madhural. You can mute yourself now. Right. E. Horn, are you there, Mr. E. Horn or Miss E. Horn? Right, Tobeka wants me to add her to the classroom, okay? Let me go and add Tobeka to the classroom. Tobeka, is that you? T. Zikali. Tobeka. I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Is that you, T. Zikali?
No, sir.
Give me a student number. Give me a student number, please.
22.
Yes.
49.
Yes.
27.
Yes.
99.
He says take Tobeka.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next person. Next person, give me your number that I can add it on.
Two. 2245.
Yes.
1018.
1018. Peace story.
Yes. Yes.
You've been added. Next one.
2242.
Slowly. Two.
42.
42.
05.
05.
91.
91. A Majola.
Yes.
Yay, well done. You've been added. Next one.
224.
224.
159.
159.
46.
46. Is that you?
Yes.
Well done. Next one.
22.
Oh, so many twos. 22.
32.
32.
100.
1 0
Triple
0
zero.
0. Is that you? T Sebukushle.
Yes.
Oh, sorry, did I pronounce your name wrongly? Okay, it's done. Yes, I'm listening.
22.
42.
Yes, I'm listening.
22.
Yes.
488. 00.
Let's
95.
start, let's start again. 22.
22. 4. 8. 00. 95.
A Maxiti. Is that you?
Sorry.
Is that you on the screen? Look at the screen. Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I've added you. Right. Now there is another method of adding the students by getting a link to the team. So if I'm going to click this link, I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to paste it in our WhatsApp group. Okay. Right. So you copy and paste that link, right? Okay. All right, everybody, can you click on that link, please? And I'll add you to my classroom. Okay, Mr. Dube, I'm going to extend the due date. Okay, Mr. Dube. Marjirel, I sorted you out there. Right, let me go and extend the due date. Marjirel, I've extended it to tonight, 10:50 p.m. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Right. That's also extended. I'll extend that to tonight. Okay, so I extended all of them. All right. Does that help you? Okay. Let me go on. Zed Radebe, what's your question, Zed Radebe? Pizwani. Okay, so you all know what to do there. You need to watch that. Right.
Then
Yes, question?
I have a problem with my code blocks.
What's the problem?
It can't run the code. Can I share the screen first?
Yes, sure. Share the screen.
I don't know if you can see. You see the screen?
Yes, I can. Right. Let me tell you the problem.
Yes, sir.
Right at the bottom, it says can't find the compiler. Can you see that? It can't find the compiler.
What should I do?
You need to add the compiler. Let me take control, right?
Okay.
Do I have control?
Yes, you do.
Right. So can you see on the top it says tools out there?
Yes.
Can you see it says configure tools?
Yes.
Somewhere out here you'll need to go and change that. Or let me close that. Let's go to settings. And I'm going to give you the settings from my I go to compiler. And you'll need to add one of these compilers, right? Yes. Now I'm gonna share my screen with you, okay?
Okay.
So let me go and share my screen. I'm just going to show you what I have. Are you looking at my screen?
Yes, I am.
Can you see under settings? Look for compiler.
Yes.
Can you see my compiler is GNU GCC compiler?
Yes.
That's what you need to have on your compiler, okay?
Oh.
All right. Now, alternatively, I want you to use my installation. My installation will help you and it'll sort your problem out. Right, I'm going to share my installation with you.
Oh, you guys are all right.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to share this link with you to add in C++.
All right. So I'm sorry, guys. We're not a fan of my piece, so I'm just going to hand it over to the next session. All right. But if you have questions.
Is somebody sharing their? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Are you still there are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. I'm just looking for that file, that folder that needs to there we go, right? I'm going to share this link with you, okay?
Okay.
Where can I share it? In the chat?
If you can on WhatsApp.
I'm going to share it in MS Teams.
Okay.
All right, because that's our official right. I'm going to say to install blocks version 17.12, click on the link below. All right, who am I speaking to? You need to first uninstall your version that you have. Okay.
Okay.
All right, now what's your student number?
22439042.
Right. Are you on MS Teams?
Yes, sir.
Are you on my class?
Yes, I think so. Yeah.
No, it's not think so. It's either yes or no.
Yes, I'm on your class. Yes, I remember.
Let me have a look. Let me have a look. What's it? Where are you?
I'm S. Matondo.
S. Madondo.
Yes.
I can't see you.
Let's keep scrolling. Oh.
Give me your student number.
224390. There I am. S. Matondo.
You were not there.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Mr. Madondo, will you help the other people as well to do that?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay.
Thank
Anybody
you
else? If you have a problem with installing code blocks, you ask Mr. Madondo, okay? And he will help you to install it on your laptop. Marjurel, will you contact Mr. S. Madondo?
No problem, sir.
Will you contact Mr. S. Madondo?
Yes, sir.
Good boy. Right? Okay.
Thank you a lot.
Right. Let's close that. Now, for today, I was actually going to start with this section. Right? I'm going to talk about this one here called maths, C++ maths. C++ has many functions that allow you to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. For example, you can calculate the maximum or the minimum by using the max function. There's the max function out there. Try it yourself. What's the maximum between 5 and 10? So right now I'm saying using namespace, see out max 5, 10, and the maximum is 10. Let me go and change this to 100. And now I'm going to change that from 5 to 250. Marjurel, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Marjurel, you with me? Good. So let me run this program. Before I run the program, Marjurel, talk to me. Tell me, what's the answer going to be? Making me hungry. I'm going to close that. Marjurel, what's the answer going to be? What's the maximum of 250 and 100?
350.
Let's run the program. Yay, you're right, 250. Now I'm going to make it a little bit more meaningful, okay? So, out maximum is, let's run the program. The maximum of 250 and 100 is 250. S. Madondo, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, sir.
Right, so I'm going to have another program. I'm making another program for you. S. Madondo, what's going to be the answer here, S. Madondo?
It's going to be 100.
Let's see if you're right. Well done, well done, well done.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for that. Copy that. Now I'm going to go into my code blocks, or I'm going to go into online GDB. I'm going to take that program, C++, right? So I'm going to make it more meaningful now, right? See this program? I'm going to request the user. Input. Processing. Output. So the person is going to input two numbers. The processing using the max function of the two numbers, and output maximum number. Okay. Right, Marjirel, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
All right. So Marjirel, how do I input a number from the keyboard? How do I input a number from the keyboard, Marjirel? Marjirel.
Press the in.
C in, yes.
Number.
Correct. All right. And there's two numbers they're going to be, right? Number 1, and we're going to enter in number 2. Now, Marjirel, we don't want the cursor to be flashing, right?
Yes.
So we're going to put a nice message in the front. What we're going to say, Marjirel? Marjirel.
Yes, sir.
What message am I going to state?
The answer.
What am I going to say?
Please proceed. Enter the answer.
Okay, is that all right, Marjirel?
Yes.
Right, Marjirel?
Yes, sir.
I want to enter in another number, Marjirel. How do I do that?
Yes, sir.
How do I do that?
Press the in.
Yes.
Number. Then enter the number.
Okay. And above my C in statement, what do I need to have, Marjirel?
Output.
Yes. What must I state?
Please enter in number 2.
Right. Modular, I've taken care of the first constraint or the first input, 2 numbers, right? Now modular, there's my processing.
Yes.
Now modular, I can't say the max, I can't say this, I've got to put it in like this, right? Remember we did that the other time? Number 1. We did this last week, and number 2. We did this last week, right? The Mac is now modular. I can't use 5 and 100. I've got to use number.
Now, and now 1, and number 2. 2.
Right. Now modular. Remember I told you every time you use a variable, you got to. You've got to.
Int number 1, number 2.
Very good. So.
And the output.
There.
Yes.
Under int number 1 and number 2, aren't you going to say int answer?
Okay, I just want to test something at my. Right, I'm just follow me for a split second. Margia, 1 second. I just want to see something here. Right, so modular.
Yes,
so this is what I've done so far, right? I want you to enter in a number for me. What numbers you had? 250 and 100, isn't that so?
Yes, sir.
You had 250 and you had 100. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Over here. Remember we did this one here?
Yes.
And you told me that the answer was 250. Okay. Now, modular, I've done the same thing, but this time, whatever work we did last week, I also did it, I put it to you, right? Please enter in number 1 is 250. Hey, modular, can't you see I made a mistake there? I spelled number wrong. Modular?
Yes, sir. I didn't notice, sir.
You didn't notice, okay.
On line number 22.
Yes, line number 22. Let me go to correct that. Let's run that program again. 250. Please enter in number 2. Give me the next number, modular.
100.
Correct. Okay, let's just put 1. And guess what? My computer has frozen on me. Modular, you with me? Are you still with me?
Yes, sir. Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay, but let me just explain to you what I've done so far. Here's my input statements. I am using a maths function called max to determine the maximum number that you and I are entering in. and I'm storing it inside a variable called answer. And then I'm determining the output of the maximum. And I'm using a function called max. I can use that because C++ allows me to import a function. I'm just going to run it again, right? There's a problem on my internet over here. I'm at work, by the way. I'm not sure why it's giving me this hassle.
So it's not you, it's the actual server.
Oh, it's the actual server. Okay, let's just run it. Thank you, Samuel. Hello, Samuel. Welcome. It's the server. Okay, guess what I'm going to do? If there's a problem with code, if there's a problem here, copy that. I'm going to go to code blocks, right? Samuel, you with me, Samuel?
Yes, sir.
Right, I'm copying it into code blocks. Okay, thank you for that suggestion. There is a problem. Maybe there's a problem with the... Right, let's run the program. So now it's running line number 22, and now it's at line number 23. It's 250. Samuel, please enter in another number. Give me any number that you can think of, Samuel, between 99 and 101. Any number, any integer number. Thank you. Majurel, were you thinking of the same number?
Yes, sir.
Aha. What's the maximum of the two?
50.
Right. Now, let me tell you what I've done here. Here's my processing that takes place. This is my processing part. And I'm using a library function called max in order to find out the maximum number of 1 and 2. These are called parameters. And this is your function max. Samuel, you with me?
Yes, sir.
Right, and then and this is my output statement out here. So any program must have input, processing, and output. And I must tell you what am I going to put in and what I'm going to take out. All right. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to post this in our class, because this is what we've done for today, right? Now, here's my question to you. Samuel, you with me?
Yes, sir.
Samuel? Right. I want to use this function to find the lowest value of x and y. Samuel, you think you'll be able to take this program and write another program to find the minimum, the lowest value of x and y?
Yes, sir.
Majurel?
Yes, sir.
You think you'd be able to do that for me?
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to say, instead of saying, I'm going to say, find a program to find the minimum, output the minimum open up your WhatsApp. Right? Input two numbers, let's call it 1 and 2, and then add the min function to find the lowest value. Oops, I'm not going to say X and Y. I'm going to say number 1 and number 2. Samuel, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
You think you'd be able to do this, Samuel?
Yes, sir.
What do you have to change, Samuel?
You swap out max for min, and you'll change the statement that your minimum value is.
Yep. Yeah. When can you do this for me, Samuel?
Today, sir.
Oh, okay. I think it's a nice assignment. Don't you say, Samuel?
Definitely, sir.
I think so too. I think so too. Samuel, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
When should I have this due, Samuel? Samuel. Marjirel, when should I have this? When should I read this due, Marjirel?
Thursday.
Oh, today. Okay. What time?
No.
What time, Marjirel?
Thursday, sir, not today.
What time? What time?
I said Thursday.
12 o'clock. I can't hear you, Marjirel. 12 o'clock.
11 p.m.
11 p.m.
No, sir. I said you need to have it on Thursday.
Oh, today.
I think Thursday is too far.
You think Thursday is too far? So I should have it today.
Tuesday will be fine.
Oh, Monday. Monday.
Monday at 10 p.m.
Oh, sorry, who was that? Who said something?
Hi.
Hello. Yeah.
Monday at 10 p.m. would be good.
Oh, okay. I like that. Monday at 10 p.m. Oh, okay. That's a nice one. Monday at 10 p.m. And I lost the assignment now. Where is it? There's a problem with this. Let me tell you, class, if you don't work with me, if you can't, Marjorial, you can't have it on Thursday. Programming doesn't work like that. Right? It doesn't work like that. You got to do work programming every day, even Saturday and Sundays. Hello?
Hi.
Yeah, programming. Sorry, who's talking? Who's saying something there?
No, I didn't say anything, sir.
Okay, but you said it must be today.
Yes, today will be fine.
Yes. Yes. Right?
So,
Yes.
I wanted to query something. Are we still having class at 1?
Yes.
Okay.
Why? Don't you want to have a class at 1? Don't you want to see me again?
I do. I'm just asking.
Oh, okay. Of course we will. Right? Oh, all the better. Then let's make it due at 1 o'clock today. Yes. I think that's a great idea. Thank you for reminding me for that. Right? So it'll
They
be
all
due
gonna hate me, sir.
No, thank you for that. That's a great idea. From 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, what do you have? Do you have lunch? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, we have lunch.
Oh, so you're going to work during your lunch break?
No,
But
no, we're gonna have a lunch.
Oh,
No, sir.
okay, 8 o'clock, sir. 8 p.m.
No.
No, I like that. I like that. Thank you. You're such wonderful students. You want to work during lunch break. Too good.
No.
No, sir.
No, say.
No, sir, nothing fair.
Monday. No, sir. Sir.
Right. Here's the assignment. To find the minimum of two numbers, input two numbers. Let's call the numbers 1 and number 2. Processing, and the minimum function can be used to find the lowest value of x and y. Well, really speaking, I want the minimum function of number 1 and number 2. Okay? So let's do that. There it is. Let me go and just change that here. Number 1, number 2 can be used to find the lowest value of. Right, let's see who can do this program, right? I will check it out. Right. Thank you for that, for reminding me. Yes, 1 o'clock I will see you and we shall do this work. All right, thank you for that. Great. Back to the classroom. Publish it. Well done, well done. Thank you very much. Any more questions? It's 10 to 12. I'm going to stop my lecture now and I'll see you at 1 o'clock. Hello?
Hi, sir.
Yes, I'm so sorry. I don't know who's talking because I'm on my screen. I can't see your name unless I stop sharing.
It's Isabella.
Hello, Isabella. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. What can I do? How can I help you?
No, sir. You said you're going to stop the lecture now.
Yes, I'm going to stop it. You mean you want me to continue?
No, no, sir. We need a break.
You need a break from me. Why?
Oh, sir, no, because you need to go do the assignment.
It's not an assignment. It's like a programming task. I can
like
stay online, no problem. I like programming. In fact, I love programming. We can stay longer, Isabella. What is it, Isabella?
Yes, Isabella.
Yes. Yes. No, Isabella, if you want to leave, by all means, you don't have to stay. You can leave.
No,
But
no.
Okay. Right. Goodbye, Isabella.
Bye,
Goodbye,
sir.
everybody. Do you want to take a photograph? Can we take a photograph? Put your camera on.
So, would you do register today?
Put your camera on, please. Then I can take a photograph.
It's still in the morning.
Let's take a photo.
They are wearing pajamas.
You're not supposed to be in your pajamas. Right. Smile.
I'm getting less so
Smile.
Why didn't come up? Happy John.
Well done. 1 o'clock, okay?
It's still in the morning.
I'll see you at 1 o'clock.
Yo, not getting your Zamura.
At 1 o'clock, okay? Right. Bye-bye, everybody. See you at 1 o'clock. Goodbye.
Bye. Hello,
Bye.